Once upon a time, in a vibrant high school filled with the hustle and bustle of teenage drama, there were two best friends named Sophie and Mike. They had been one and the same since they were kids, sharing everything from lunch breaks to secrets about their crushes. Sophie, the courageous and determined girl, was known for her catching laughter and carefree spirit. Mike, on the other hand, was the quiet and sensitive type, always there to listen and offer a shoulder to cry on. As they navigated their way through the challenges of high school, Sophie and Mike found comfort in each other's company. They would spend hours after school, talking about their dreams and fears, laughing until their sides and supporting each other through every hurdle that came their way. Little did they know that their friendship was slowly blossoming into something more. It all started one sunny afternoon, when Sophie injured her ankle during a soccer game. Mike was the first one by her side, helping her up and carrying her to the nurse's office. From that moment on, their bond enhanced as Mike took on the role of Sophie's caretaker and confidant. They spent countless hours together, sharing their deepest thoughts and feelings, and growing closer with each passing day. As they entered their senior year of high school, Sophie and Mike found themselves at a crossroads. The upcoming reality of graduating and going their separate ways, with heavy steps on their hearts, as they both knew that their time together was limited. Yet, they couldn't deny the growing feelings they had for each other, feelings that overstep friendship and bring up into the realm of love. On a warm summer evening, as the sun lowered below the horizon and cast a golden glow over the world, Sophie and Mike found themselves alone in the school courtyard. The air was filled with the sweet aroma of blooming flowers and the sound of gentle laughter. It was in that moment that Mike took Sophie's hand in his eyes filled with an emotion that Sophie had never seen before. "Sophie, there's something I need to tell you," Mike began, his voice soft and hesitant. "I know we've always been best friends, but lately, I've been feeling something more, something deeper. I love you, Sophie." Sophie's heart skipped a beat as she looked into Mike's eyes, seeing the sincerity and emotionally in his eyes. In that moment, she realized that she felt the same way, that her feelings for Mike had been better than the boundaries of friendship and had grown into something beautiful and profound. "I love you too, Mike," Sophie whispered, her voice shaking with emotion. "I've always loved you in ways I never knew were possible." And with those simple words, Sophie and Mike sealed their love with a tender kiss, their hearts ascending with joy and gratitude. From that day on, they start a new chapter of their relationship, navigating the ups and downs of young love with grace and determination. As they graduated from high school and initiate on new adventures, Sophie and Mike faced the challenges of distance and uncertainty with unshakable faith in their love. They wrote each other heartfelt letters, spoke on the phone for hours on end, and cherished the moments they could steal away to be together. Years passed and Sophie and Mike grew older and wiser, their love standing the test of time and trials. They got married, started a family, and built a life together filled with love, laughter, and endless joy. Through it all, they never forgot the simple, yet profound truth that had brought them together, that sometimes the greatest love stories are the ones that begin with two school friends who find love in each other's hearts.